In this video, I'll show you an easy way to blur out a person's face by using CapCut. So first step, we import a clip onto our timeline. You could either drag it or press the plus button. Next is select the clip, come up to Effects. You can collapse the video effects here, expand the body effects, and come find the effect named Face Mosaic. If you want the entire clip to have this effect, you can just drag this onto the entire clip. Or if you only want to apply it to a certain parts of the video, you can just come here, click plus, add to track, and then you can place it anywhere you want on the clip. And to adjust this effect, you can click on this effect, come to the right hand side, and you can adjust the range as well as adjust the size of the effect. So there you have it. That's an easy way to blur a person's face in CapCut.